course, I do have on a top. It's just really hot right now, so yeah. So of course, the first thing that she does is she primes, and I'm going in with the Rumor base in number 4, and that's what I'm gonna use. So when it comes to the P. Loiuse bases, you don't want to set it. It recommends not setting it, so that way the eyeshadows can stick to it a bit better with that tackiness. So I'm just going to jump right into shadows. And it looks like she starts off packing on this like true brown shade. It's like a reddish brown. And she puts it all over the lid. So to achieve that look, I'm going to use the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place. And I'm going into the shade Kufuru. Then she goes in with like a lighter orange brown shade to blend out this shade. So I'm still using the same palette, but I'm gonna go in with this shade Zama instead, and it worked perfectly fine. So obviously you use a little bit of that color, so I'm gonna go back in with Kufuru, which is the first shade, and just apply it where I find like it blended a little up too much. So if you watch your tutorial, you know that my eyes are darker than hers, and that's because I went in with a darker brown. But I also realized that I went a little too high up in the brow bone, and I'm just going to fix that with the next step, which is something that she also does, and that's putting highlighter in to highlight the brow bone. So I'm going to take the Anastasia Glow Kit in that glow, and I'm going to take Bubbly. So I think finally she cuts her crease. Yes. So I'm going to take the P. Loiuse base in 0 and P. Loiuse base in 4. Sorry if the angles changed. My camera almost fell and had to do the whole setup. Anyway, looks like next she goes in with a shimmer shade. I'm going in with this like frosty shade from Mayo Makeup's Neon Brights Pigment. It comes in a 10 stack, and this is how it looks. So I'm gonna wet my brush with some rose water. So I have on my fan, and my fan just blew all of that pigment, that loose pigment, into my shadow. So, yay. So she goes in with like this nude peachy shade, and I don't have the palette she has, so I'm going in with the shade Bear in the Morphe 39A palette. I'm not holding that up because that's a huge palette. So yeah. So I know this isn't as peachy as her shade, but it's interesting. I have like at least 20 palettes and none of them have a peachy color in it. So then she goes in after this shade, the shade that's a little brown. So I'm still gonna use the Morphe 39A palette, and I'm using the shade Sculpt. I'm gonna show it to you now that I'm using 2 shades from the palette. So this was the first shade Bear, and then this is the shade that I'm using now, called Sculpt. Obviously, with every color that you ever do, you always want to make sure that you blend in between colors. So I think what she did, she went back in with the orange shade that she used to blend out, which for me would be Zama, and then she went back in with the first brown shade that she used, which is for me is Kufuru. I'm thinking that's what happened because they were just like a transition from like this brownish color to like these two colors on the outer corner. So yeah. Alright, we have gotten somewhere. Because I want to go over this with a little bit of sunburst. Like, I know I'm all over the place, but it's cute, but it's too silver for the look. And I said she wanted with something that has like the like slightest bit of like champagne gold. So I'm gonna go back in with the look. I'm gonna use drooping gold. Let's see. Just to get a little bit more gold and to tone it. There we go. That's doing exactly what I want to do. Yeah. Yes. So then she makes this fierce ass black line. And for that I'm going in with the usual NYX liquid matte liner in black. And it's okay if you mess up at the bottom or something like that, because you can always go and make a concealer to straighten it, sharpen it, to sharpen it. This next part is going to be a trip. So she takes white liner and puts it on the crease and on the top part of the liner and the bottom part of the liner. Yeah. For this, I'm just gonna go with the P. Louise Base in White. I had a liquid liner, but it dried. So this is going to be very, very tedious. I'm gonna go back and set this with a white shadow, but I just want to get this part done first. So because my camera's dying, I'm gonna complete cleaning it up and all that stuff off camera, and I'm going to complete the rest of my face off camera. But basically, if you're using a white eyeliner, you don't need to do this once and it should come out perfectly. If you're using a white base, you may need to go over it several times, apply several layers so that it comes out as pure white as opposed to white with a little bit of the shadow mixed in. So I'll see you guys in 3, 2. If my angle changed again, I'm sorry. So this took a really long time, like I'm sweating. It took so long for me to use the white base and then set it with a white shadow, and then it wasn't pigmented enough, so I had to go back over it again. Like, it was a lot. That in and of itself took, yeah, at least an hour. So the next thing she does is she lines her waterline with the LA Girl Glide Gel Liner in Very Black, and she smokes it out. So I'm going to smoke it out with the same Warrior 2 palette. I'm so glad that a lot of these shades are coming from this palette. And there's this black shade called Shawata. Ooh, Shawata wata, ooh, she bang bang. And just so that it's not too dark, I'm going to go in with Zama again. now we're almost done. Oh my god, it is 1:40 in the morning. I have to wake up at 7:30 for work, maybe even earlier because I plan to go to the gym. I am super excited that for lips she used Fenty Beauty Splendor Lip Paint in Unveil. I have used this product so many times on my channel. I love this. Is out of all the Stunner lip paints, this is my favorite. It's like the perfect brown, like this. Ooh. Ooh. In the words of Monica, what you was saying? After like 5 hours, I'm finally done. I think the look came out really beautiful. Obviously, I would have loved it better if I was able to use the white liner, but it's cool, you know, mama improvised. So let me know how you guys feel about this look. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let me know what if you like these recreation looks. You know, if you have any suggestions, tag me on Instagram, DM me, whatever. If it's something you want me to recreate, is if you have a color scheme or something like that, just like let me know, you know. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.